Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Pad V9. So first we're gonna start off by trying to clean the microphone port with a metallic tool. I won't do that right now because I don't have any non-metallic tools that I can use on the tablet. But if you use the metallic ones, then you can only damage the port and it will look much worse. So it will make things worse. So don't do that with a metallic things. Do it with non-metallic ones, like some soft brushes, maybe the air compressor, and much more. Now what you guys can also do is basically test the mic in a voice recorder or try and call somebody in the app. So here we have the recorder and the tools. Now here we can basically test the microphone. Now we can listen to that. And what we can also do is try and check in the settings if the microphone permission is given to an app. So if the problem is app specific, then simply go to apps. Now here to go to manage apps or permission manager, doesn't matter. Here select the microphone, and as you guys can see, let's say the microphone is not working for your TikTok videos, so let's click TikTok and allow only while using the app. Now the microphone should be working, and if not, then what you guys can also try is to update your software. So go to system and updates here, almost at the bottom, and now go to software update at the top. Now it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the Magic OS, so I recommend you guys doing the same. You can also check for updates to be sure that you're running the latest version, just like me. And basically a new software update can fix mic glitches, so it's worth doing as fast as possible as soon as it gets released. Now last but not least, here we have the about tablet section, the system and update section. And here we will have the backup and restore. First, backup all of your data. Here click reset all settings. It won't delete all of your important files and everything. It will just delete the settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and much more. So I recommend you guys doing that backup. Now go to reset tablet and here factory reset your tablet and let me know if that fixes the issue. If not, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center to get a more professional diagnose, and that would be it from me. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.